Good afternoon, people. It's GM Skywatcher. Just wanted to show you some strange mutations in my sky. I mean, look how weird that is. Strange sky scum, chemical residue, synthetic cloud coverage. People, wake up. People, what does that look like? That looks like vibrated particles to me. Synthetic chemicals dispersed into our atmosphere by aircraft and then manipulated with microwaves. That's how they create synthetic clouds. Just look how strange that looks. And I know it looks blurry, but that's how I'm seeing it with my naked eye also, because it's vibrated particles. Nothing but fake clouds in our skies. I know it's hard to believe, but this is actual and factual. This is the truth. Stop listening to the lies on your television. They tell you whatever is handed down by the CIA and the government. Wake up to reality. Fake clouds pumped into our sky.